Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect our MXS 10 Pro battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. So let's see the MXS 10 in action. Okay, one thing to remember, don't connect the charger to the power outlet just yet. Always connect the charger to the battery first, before you switch on the power. For this part of the video, we'll be connecting the MXS 10 to a regular 12 volt lead acid battery, using the battery's positive and negative terminals. But please remember that if you're connecting the ground or earth to the vehicle, they must be connected to a suitable point on the vehicle's bodywork. Now, different vehicles nowadays might have specific charging points. So if that's the case with your vehicle, take a look at the vehicle owner's manual, and that should give you the correct charging procedure for that particular vehicle. Right, let's get back to charging this battery. First, connect the clamps to the charger using the Comfort Connect system. Simply take the red clamp and clamp it to the red positive terminal of the battery. And take the black clamp and clamp it to a suitable earth or ground point on the vehicle's body. In this case, we're using the battery's black negative terminal. Now, don't worry if you get this the wrong way around at first. The charger has got inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so your battery and your charger won't get damaged in any way. It's also spark free, so there's no risk of sparking if the clamps accidentally touch together. Next, open this little rubber cover and insert the plug on the temperature sensor. Then attach the other end of the sensor to the red clamp, or fix it as near as possible to the battery. The sensor will automatically adjust the charger's voltage to the ambient temperature and prevent the battery from overheating or overcharging. So it always gets the optimum charge. Okay, now it's time to power up. So plug the charger into your power outlet. When the charger's on, the green power LED will light up. You can now set the charger to match your type of battery using the mode button. The first time you switch it on, the charger will be in normal mode. This is indicated by the car graphic and an orange LED. This is the mode you need for regular lead acid batteries. Pressing the mode button continuously will cycle through the charger's different programs in this order. From normal, press again for AGM. This programs for AGM batteries like the ones fitted in vehicles with start-stop technology. The next mode is Reconned. This program has been specially developed to restore and recondition a lead acid battery if it's out of condition or even dead. It only works with lead acid batteries, so it'll be added onto the end of the normal charging process to help maximize the battery's life. Finally, press again for supply mode, which turns the MXS 10 into a stable 12 volt power supply. And one more press puts the charger back into normal mode. When you've set the correct mode for your battery, you're ready to go. You can just leave your charger connected to do its job safely. If you need to stop the charging process at any time, no problem. You can disconnect the charger without damaging the charger or your battery. So using the MXS 10 is as simple as that. Thanks for watching.